Hello everyone, my name's Cheryl and this is my mom, Vera. Have a lot of antiques and vintage items for sale on our Etsy shop and eBay store, and see those links below. Now don't forget to subscribe and like, and step back in time with this stunning vintage 1960s black faux fur cape. A true statement piece that adds a touch of elegance to any outfit. Its unique side button closure not only enhances its vintage charm, but also ensures a snug fit. The high-quality, low-pile fur feels luxurious against the skin, making it perfect for those chilly evenings out. The satin acrylic lining is in pristine condition, providing a smooth and comfortable wear. With belt loops and a matching fur belt tie, you can easily adjust the fit to your liking. The design features several sections, including a solid back and two stylish side pieces with slits, giving it a sophisticated silhouette that flatters all body types. This cape is not just a coat, it's a statement piece that can transform your look, whether dressing up for an event or adding flair to a casual outfit. This vintage treasure stands out. Don't miss the chance to showcase this gorgeous accessory that perfectly embodies both style and sophistication. The freedom to choose is yours. Shop our vintage items on Etsy or eBay and make your purchase on the platform that resonates with you. Visit the links in the description or the top comment below. Links unlocked. Your express pass to this fabulous vintage fur cape. Skip the search and embrace the elegance. Enjoy your shopping experience and a lovely day.